Alright, so these comments are about the Phoenix Suns winning the 2018 NBA Draft Lottery. These comments are from YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. I thought it'd be fun to read some of them to you guys. And if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Brandon. Please subscribe for everything Phoenix Suns. If it has to deal with the Phoenix Suns, I'm probably going to make a video about it.
How sad that the #1 pick is something we're proud of. Bring back the '93 team feeling, or the Nash era. Something to look forward to seeing.
All those losses really paid off, dog. I'm crying actual tears. Yeah, shout out to Brandon. I know you guys know who that is. Everyone does. Hello, everyone. I am alive. Although when it was announced the Suns had the first overall pick, I slipped and fell to the ground and just worked from the floor for 20 minutes. But it was worth it. Go Suns! See you in the playoffs, Suns Nation. From one of the 2 Spurs fans in this group. And by the way, he's in a Phoenix Suns group. This year has been the greatest year of my life. Got married, Suns got the #1 overall pick. 2018, I love you. With the first overall pick in the 2018 NBA Draft, the Phoenix Suns select LiAngelo Ball. No.
They need to take Jackson to pair him with Josh Jackson. Then they need to get 3 other Jacksons so they can have the Jackson 5.
LMAO, look at the Cavs and Celtics battling for a chance to play in the NBA Championship, like the Suns didn't already win it today. And before we end with the honorable and dishonorable comments, let's end with a doozy, shall we? Trade Devin Booker, Suns. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. My name is Brandon. Please subscribe for everything Phoenix Suns. If it has to deal with the Phoenix Suns, I'm probably going to make a video about it. Make sure to check out my thoughts and excitement on the NBA Draft Lottery and the Phoenix Suns winning it. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.